Hi, guys. If you want to work on pulling up your sheet, your Google sheet from yesterday, and that slide that I posted for you in Classroom, everybody in your little group is going to have access to that slide. So it's not, you're not getting your own copy. Everyone has access. Cantrell, are you able to get into it?
Yeah, I'm in.
Oh, I can only see Kush in there. You're in the Google slide?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so you two, go ahead and start discussing. You two have to come to an agreement what order to put them in. Okay, so you two talk it out. I'm just here just to listen. Colin's going to be joining you here in a second. Hey, Colin, they're just getting into that Google slide that I posted for you.
Okay.
So you guys have 10 minutes to decide what order they're going to be in.
All right. Do y'all think the oxygen goes first? That's what I had on them.
You want me to move it over there for you?
I can't hear them.
I think Cantrell said that he agreed with you on the oxygen. I think it was Cantrell.
Yeah, oxygen.
Could you hear him that time, Kush?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I think I have water. The second. Here. Water or portable heating?
The portable what? Oh, portable heating. Okay.
Heating system, whatever unit.
Colin, are you going to weigh in on this?
Where's the Google Slides at? Because I can't find it.
I posted it in Google Classroom. I think it's called like 61A.
Oh, group ratings.
Yeah.
Oxygen, you said the water or the? I think it might be water.
Maybe we should focus like, what are the top 5? So I heard you guys say oxygen. I heard you say water. I'll drag that kind of over and we can adjust it.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
I put the first aid kit.
The first aid kit.
Yeah.
We okay moving that to the first 5?
Yeah.
Okay. What else do we think is super important?
Food. I
The
think.
food.
Yeah, the food concentrate.
Okay. Okay, you need one more.
The heating unit.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so let's talk now the last 5. What do you think is the least important? What don't you need or wouldn't it be helpful?
The pistols.
The pistols?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just my opinion.
Yeah, I agree.
What'd you say?
Maybe the silk parachute too. I don't know what that is.
It's just like a parachute is made out of silk. So it's just like a any kind of parachute.
Oh. I don't really know what we could use the life raft for.
Okay, so I'll put that in the last 5.
What's a dehydrated mix?
I think that's supposed to be milk.
I think we can go with that.
I think that's supposed to be milk. Yeah, sorry. So you guys still have the milk, the map, the 60 feet of rope, the transmitter, 2 signal flares, a magnetic compass, and a box of matches.
Maybe the road. I'm not sure what we do with the road.
You say the rope?
Yeah, I'm thinking either the rope or the milk.
Okay. All right, so we have 5 then to go in the middle here, but let's talk about our top 5. You have oxygen, water, first aid kit, food, and portable heating unit. Which one do you think is the most important?
Oxygen.
Okay. What about next? Water, first aid kit, food, or heating unit?
Water.
I didn't hear, I'm sorry.
Water.
Okay, what next then? Yep, first aid kit, food, and portable heating unit.
I'll probably say food. And then the heating unit.
Okay,
The first aid kit.
okay. All right, so now we have the first 5 done. Is everybody okay with the first 5?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk about the least important. Let's narrow those down. So in the least important category, you have the milk, the rope, parachute, the guns, and the life raft. What's gonna help us the least?
You said what? Hold on, my bad.
That's okay, milk, rope, parachute, the pistols, or the life raft.
I think probably the pistols. I
Yeah.
think.
Okay,
I really
Got it.
have to really
okay,
use-
so what else do you think is completely useless?
And life.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now working up from the bottom. So we have pistols is the very bottom. Number 14 then is the life raft. So now we need to go 13. So is that the parachute, the rope, or the milk?
Probably the parachute.
Mm,
Okay. All right, so what about 12 then? The rope or the milk?
uh, I don't know. I feel like the middle.
Yeah, I think we could probably do something.
Okay. All right. Okay, so now in the middle, we have a compass, matches, signal flares, the radio, and a map. So what do we think is, out of those 5, what's the most important out of those 5? The compass, the matches, the signal flares, the radio, or the map?
Maybe
Um,
map or is the transmitter like, is that like radio to like Earth?
Yes.
Yeah, probably that one.
Okay. Okay, so what's next in importance? The compass, matches, signal flares, or the map?
Probably the map. Maybe.
Everybody okay with the map?
yeah.
Okay, so we have compass, signal flares, and matches.
Uh, matches.
Yeah, matches and then compass and then signal flares. That's what I was thinking.
Okay, so matches, compass, and then signal flares.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so do you want me to read them to you and most important to least important?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have the oxygen, then water, then the food, the portable heating unit, the first aid kit, the receiver, the radio, a map, the box of matches, magnetic compass, signal flares, nylon rope, dehydrated milk, silk parachute, a life raft, and then the pistols. Are you
Yeah.
good with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it looks like, oh, I don't know why you guys should be, all of you should be on this list. Okay, so Cantrell, I'm going to share this with you. Colin, are you still there?
I can. I'm on the slides. I can see the thing.
Yeah, I'm on it too. I can see it.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I don't know why like you're not showing up. All right, so you guys can see all of your placements there?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Colin, you can too?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so there's your group ratings. So on that group sheet, or on that Google Sheet, you just need to transfer your group ratings.
All right.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right, you guys are good to go for the day then.
All right.
Okay.
Have a
thank
good
you.
day.
You
You
too.
too.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Hi guys. If you want to pull up your I can't even think, the Google slide that I have posted for you. I think it's called like 61A. Hello. If you want to find that, I think it's called 61A. If you want to open it, you guys will all be in it together. Ari?
Yes, I do.
All right. Ari, I don't know if you can see the Google slide or not, if you're able to open up that Google slide. If not, we can kind of talk you through it because I know you're traveling still. Okay, so I have, hold on one second. Abby's joining right now. Okay, so all 5 of you are on the call right now. So what you need to do is go through and start discussing your order. So what order you think they need to be in. Whenever you want, whoever wants can move over like the little boxes to wherever you think they should go. Okay? All right, go to it.
As a group,
Yep, go ahead and talk it through it as a group.
Eli, your thing's still messed up.
I know, it's Pike and Z because on the middle left it's fine.
I can't understand you.
Maybe you guys can start with like, what do you think the top 5 should be?
How we do this?
The food.
Okay.
All right, so what else is important? I'll move it over in that area. What else is important?
Oxygen.
Oxygen, okay. Eli, if you want to put it in the chat box, if that would help, I could help relay that.
Water.
Got it?
I'm thinking like the star.
Maybe this one. I don't know.
The what? I'm sorry.
Stars, or like the map for
Oh,
the stars.
the map, okay. Okay, we need one more for the top 5.
The maybe this one. I don't know.
Someone's talking, but I don't know who it is.
Victoria.
I mean, what one did you say? I'm sorry.
This one.
The radio there?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay. All right. So in your top 5, you have food, oxygen, water, a map, and transmitter. So let's put those in order first. So let's decide what's going to be number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Water or food and oxygen are the top 2.
Okay. So let's narrow it down from there. Food or oxygen, guys?
I think
Oxygen.
first, and then food.
We got to go back to work.
All right. So there's water, or I'm sorry, oxygen and then food. Okay. So now we have water, map, and radio.
Water.
We need water next.
Yes.
And then we still have map and radio.
What'd you say?
We still have the map and the radio. Eli
Map and
thinks
the radio.
radio 4 and map 5. Sorry, Eli, kind of got stuck there. He thinks water 4, map 5. He said oxygen has to be 1. Without that, nothing else matters. So map 4, radio 5.
Yes.
Or, oh wait, Eli said the other way. What do you guys think?
That's good.
The way it is, or switch it?
No, I think it's good like the way it is.
Okay, everybody else okay with it? All right, let's talk bottom 5. What are the
Yes, I'm
least
okay.
important things?
What'd you say?
What are the least important now? Let's see, Eli says, aliens won't be there, will they? So no guns. He said the guns aren't important because aliens won't be there. All right, so we can put guns towards the bottom. All right, what else is not going to be helpful?
The parachute.
The parachute. Okay, I'll move that down. What else?
1 box of matches.
The matches, okay. Box of matches, got it. So we still have compass, first aid kit, signal flares, life raft, rope, heating unit, and milk. Is there anything else you don't think would be helpful?
The life
The
raft.
The life raft, okay. Eli thinks that first aid kit should be 6th. Okay, so the life raft we can bring over. What else is not going to be helpful? Or very little help?
I think 7 should be the
The what? I'm sorry, you cut out.
the milk.
Okay. Eli wants to know what happens if he falls and scrapes his knee. If you scrape your knee, you're in a spacesuit, so your scraped knee is going to be the least of your worries, because if that means your spacesuit is open, you got bigger problems. All right. So let's talk about, you have 4 there at the bottom. Okay, so you have 4 in the bottom. It says life raft, matches, parachute, and pistols. Let's talk about those 4. Which out of those 4, which is the most useless?
Pistols.
The pistols, okay. What
the
about,
raft.
what's that?
Or the raft.
Okay, do we want to put the raft next, like a 14?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about 13? Should it be the matches or the parachute?
Matches.
Matches. Okay, so then that would be parachute is 12. All right, so now we have 4 more to rank. I'll tell you what they are, and then we'll just rank those 4. And then we'll step back and take a look. So we have a heater, a compass.
Heater should be 8.
I think heater should be 8. That's pretty important.
Yeah.
Okay, we have compass, signal flares, and rope.
Signal flares.
I think signal wouldn't, okay, Eli says, wouldn't we need matches for light?
Move that to 10 then.
Box of matches to 10. Underneath signal flares.
Yeah.
Okay. So we still have compass, nylon rope. That's it. Compass and nylon rope. Abby, what do you think? What do you think, Abby? Magnetic compass, nylon rope? What's important? What's more important?
The rope.
The rope is more important?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so can everybody see what order I have them in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Rope. Eli says rope. What if someone starts to drift away? All right. So look at the order there. Are you happy with that order? So we have oxygen, food, water, a map, the radio, first aid kit, dehydrated milk, portable heating unit, signal flares, a box of matches, nylon rope, compass, parachute, a life raft, and 2 pistols.
Yeah.
Anybody want to adjust anything?
No.
Okay, so what you need to do then, this is your group ranking. This is what you guys have agreed upon. So in that Google sheet that we started yesterday, you have a whole nother tab for group rankings. Okay, so you need to go transfer these numbers into that Google sheet. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Okay, so have that done for tomorrow, and then we'll do the next step together tomorrow.
Okay.
All right? If you guys are good, you're free to go.
Bye, Miss Olga.
Bye, have a good day, hon.
You too.
Thank you.
Sorry, I have an eye infection. Can't keep my eyes. Did I just spend $5 on Christmas clip art?
Hi, ladies. If you want to pull up your, Lexi, I see you're in it already. Ella, if you want to pull up the Google slide that I posted for you today, It's in Google Classroom. I think it's 61A. Hi, Kevin. Pull up your Google slide that I posted in Google Classroom, okay?
Okay. What's it called?
It's 61A.
Oh, group rankings.
Mhm.
I thought we were gonna do that on the Google sheet.
You are. We're going to discuss it. So this is just a way for us to organize it together. And then you're going to
Okay.
transfer your rankings to your Google Sheet.
Okay.
Aiden's trying to join. He's having a hard time joining, so we might have to start without him, but he is here.
All I'm gonna say is the matches are useless
Why do you think that?
because there's no oxygen in space,
Okay,
and you need oxygen to start the fire.
okay.
I thought
So-
the pistols were stupid.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
I thought the pistols were stupid.
Okay, so do we want to move like pistols and
The
the
mo-
matches?
The matches are last, no doubt.
Okay,
Signal flares might be useless, but I don't know if it takes oxygen for them to show the colors and everything.
This might be stupid, but I really did not know what that was. So,
a signal flare?
yeah.
Have you
It's
ever seen
something-
like there's an accident? Well, there's actually two kinds of signal flares. One that kind of comes out of a gun and it's kind of like almost like a big firework that comes out of a gun and it goes up in the air and it goes like, and it like shines a light. And it kind of glows for a lot longer than a firework would. But then there's also like, have you ever seen, like if there's been an accident, like they'll break these sticks and lay them on the ground. They kind of glow.
Yeah.
That's kind of like the idea of it.
Okay.
Okay, you guys got a good start. Aiden, can you see them moving the slides?
How do I do that? I can't.
Okay, so go into Google Classroom and look at assignment 61A. I think it should be called like group ratings.
Okay. I see group ranking. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Yep, okay. So hop in there.
Okay.
I think the 2 100-pound canisters is the most important.
Wait, what'd you say?
The canisters of oxygen are important.
Oh, yeah, that was my first one.
Yeah, that was my first one too.
Watch it say like the uninflated life raft is more important.
How?
Huh?
How so?
Oh no, I was just kidding.
Oh, I was gonna say.
For the second most important, I have the first aid kit.
What?
I had the signal flares, but I also did not know what that was. But I agree with
For my second, I have the food concentrate because with the first aid kit, the hypodermic needles are meant for like, I think hypothermia, and like you're wearing a spacesuit, so you're not really gonna have hypothermia. And then the first aid kit, I don't see the point because it's not like you're stranded on an island and stuff's coming at you.
That's true.
A hypodermic needle is like what a shot is, like a shot.
For what?
It doesn't say, but it's like a medical needle, not for hypothermia.
Huh. I'll look it up then.
What's the FM transmitter?
Like a radio.
Oh, okay.
It says a hypothermic needle. It just is just as a needle. It doesn't say.
Yeah, it just extracts fluids from your body.
Yeah.
I think the magnetic compass is pretty damn useless because you don't have gravity really on the moon, and you don't really need directions up in space. You just got to find somebody to get you out. For my second one, I have the concentrate, the food concentrate.
I agree.
Yeah, that's fine. And then number 3, I had the dehydrated milk.
I have the 65 feet of nylon rope for my number 3.
I think the milk would be more useful. Buy the milk first and then the.
I just know that, like, what we learned in anatomy is that, like, when you go up into space, your body slowly, like, adjusts to, like, the gravity, so your bones get weaker and weaker.
Oh, yeah, that is true.
That's what I just thought about.
Yeah,
But
we
I
could
don't
put
really care. We can put it.
we could put the milk at 3rd. That's actually, I never thought about that.
Okay.
Where's the milk at?
Oh, it says mix instead of milk accidentally. Sorry.
Oh, well, in case of
There,
dehydrated mix.
I fixed it. Sorry about that.
For the gallon of water, I don't know where to put that, but water's made out of like oxygen and hydrogen, and there's no oxygen in space, so it burns up, and it'll just become like boiling hot. That's like if you don't have a spacesuit on and you're exposed to space, your whole entire mouth will start burning up, and your saliva and your body will inflate because there's no oxygen. So I think the water is pretty useless.
Is this like drinking water or is it just like water?
It's drinking water. I think it's water you could drink.
Like
I
they
think-
like straws, like special straws. I don't know. I'm like kind of like guessing here.
I would say the transmitter and the solar power might be useful. Probably put that at number 4 and then put the 65 feet of nylon rope at 5. Because, I mean, you could use the rope to stay attached to the moon so you're not flying everywhere. And then you could put the signal flares at 6. Because I don't know if those will work with space. The heating unit, that's pointless.
Put that at like 13.
Huh?
So we could put that at like 13.
Okay.
What about the map? Because isn't the map pretty useful because it's a constellation map, so if you like get lost.
Well,
That.
I don't see how the map could be useful because you're on the moon already.
How do you use a map on the moon?
Yeah, I don't really see how it could be useful. Especially for like seeing the constellations. It's not gonna get you anywhere.
Do we want to put that at like 11 or something?
Or
Or 12?
we could probably put it at 11. The gallon of water will probably be 12.
I say at 15 we put pistols because what are you gonna shoot out on the moon? Aliens?
Yeah, but the box of matches doesn't work.
All right, we'll put pistols at 14.
Because I mean, you could probably still shoot a pistol, and it could probably make it could probably spark off and make light or something to get somebody's attention. Magnetic compass.
We move it to 13.
I'd still say move it to 14 because there's no gravity really on the moon, and you don't really need directions to go anywhere on the moon. The portable heating unit. Where do you want to put that? I mean, I definitely think that's like one of the most useless things on here. But I feel like the first aid could be more useful than it.
So do we want to put like the first aid at like
10.
9?
Oh, wait, yeah, 9.
Okay.
And probably have the heating unit at 10. Now we have the parachute and the life raft.
I think the parachute first and then the life.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. That looks pretty good.
Are you guys happy with your order?
Yes.
Okay, so what you need to do now before tomorrow's class is just transfer those group ratings to your Google Sheet. Okay, so there's a whole nother tab that says group rankings. So click on that and transfer those grades over. Or not those grades, those scores over. Sound good?
Wait, how do you do that?
Okay, so you know how you had that Google Sheet you were working on yesterday to rank things?
Okay.
There's a tab at the bottom that has group rankings. So you're gonna go through and put a 1 where you had a 1, where whatever you guys said was 1. I think it was oxygen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're gonna put a 1 for oxygen, a 2 for the food, a 3 for the milk.
So just go through.
Yep,
Okay.
and that's it.
Yeah, I don't think I can. Were the things on the group 3 like on the slide? I don't think mine were moved, or
Yours
were they
never
supposed?
moved?
I don't know.
Yours never moved?
No.
All right, I will send you a picture. I will send you an email right now with a picture of it then.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yep. If you guys are good, I'm good.
All right. See you, Miss Winger.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.